I can throw you in the airport also. No, Jeff, that will not be necessary at all. Run!
No, Moose, I'm way ahead of you, dude.
I throw Cyclone in the portal, and we play hide and seek.
Oh, he doesn't see us. We're too small. He doesn't. Oh no, he's seeing us.
No! Jeff, chill! Jeff, chill out, buddy. You win. No, I'm not it. Okay, fine. Wait, who's it?
You're it. Jeff.
Let's tie Jeff. You're it, Jeff. Yay! Run! Nope. Oh, he's got TNT. He definitely saw you. Cycle run. Cycle run. Run, Cycle.
Jeff, no, we gotta go. By the way, I lied. He didn't see us. That was yeah.
Oh, okay. I got really into it then.
I don't know where you're. Oh, that's TNT.
Oh, I'm in the nether. Yes.
You're in the nether? Yes. We're.
Hey, what's up, bro? Cycle, come on, buddy. Yo, we're gonna fish some, man. I'm over here. Do not step on any of the special plays, by the way.
Don't step on any of them.
Don't step on any of them, bro. He's gonna freak out. He's gonna trigger something. Okay, so just be very, very careful.
Bro, there's one behind you.
What the heck? Where'd that come from? Did you put it there?
I don't know. I might have put it there. I'm sorry. We're just be looking at it.
So don't leave that there, man. Now all we gotta do, buddy, is we gotta give Jeff a phone call, and we're gonna lure him into the daycare, and we're gonna troll him and make him rage quit. All right, buddy? Sounds good, man?
Okay.
Here we go. Let me just cool you in the step. There we go. All right. What?
Jeff? We can't use our normal voices, dude. He's gonna know it's us.
No, we can. What do you mean?
Oh, wait, we can't. Okay, hi.
Jeff, hey, what's up, buddy? Jeff, this is MooseCraft. I got to the daycare a little bit early, and I noticed you weren't here, so I might have set something on fire. It was an accident. How you find my number? I think you just scared him. No, I think you kind of low-key. Cyclops! Oh, he knows it's you. Yo, he knows it's you, broski. All right. Hey, Jeff, ignore Cyclops. He came here to help me. We were trying to cook some chicken in the stove, and we accidentally set it on fire. So
everything's gone.
Yeah, everything's gone. Ow! Jeff, get to the laboratory. I can't hear you over all this fire. Oh, wait, Jeff. Do you hear that? Now. Jeff, do you hear that? Oh, Jeff, come on, hurry up. Let's go, buddy.
And then there's like Transformers.
Sir, please just step away from the vehicle. This is an emergency.
Jeff, come on, hurry up, buddy. Things are going bad, man. Put it on your nub. We can't. We need your help. I'm on my way.
Jeff, go faster.
Hang up. All right, yo, that actually worked pretty well, low-key.
We're so good. We're staying away from the door. Oh, Moose, he's safe.
Got him, baby.
Dude, he's in the lava.
He's in the lava? Hey!
No, there's no way he fell for that.
Did he actually fall for that?
Jeff.
Where's he at?
There's
poison on him, too. Oh, no, there goes Jeff. And Jeff's dead. Oh, look at this guy. Hi, Jeff. What's up, buddy? Sorry about that. That was the cooked chicken that we actually set on fire.
It's an easy jump, dude. Look.
Yeah, Jeff, you got it, buddy. Jeff, come on. Oh! Replay that. Yo, that was so crazy. Jeff, come on. Oh! Come on, Jeff. Ready? Hey, yeah. You see, easy, dude. Ready? Hey. This was a bad idea. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry. Oh.
Nope. Run. He's got a bow.
No.
We're gonna go. Go.
Jeff, chill out, buddy. Jeff, listen, there's nothing to worry about, man. Everything is gonna be all right, buddy. Everything's gonna be all right. Here, have some moose milk, bro. Yeah, awesome. All right, Jeff, sorry about that, buddy. We just wanted to see if you would fall for the trap. It's April Fool's, right?
And he did. He's a
January. My bad.
What?
No!
Oh.
Sorry, Jeff. You know what? Fine. How about this, Jeff? How about this? Where's the fire? Jeff, it's right over here. Come here. Jeff, the fire's over here, buddy. Come here. Look.
Jeff,
come here. Hurry up. Hurry up. The fire's right in this room. Hurry up. Get in there. Come on.
Jeff,
put it out.
Room, quick, Jeff.
Jeff, it's right here, you nub. Go.
Jeff, it's in that room over there. Quick. No, Jeff, I don't have it.
Don't spank Cyclone, man. My bow. Jeff, you're going to be fine. No, that's it. No, Jeff, right here. Look, it's right there. See the fire?
It's in that room there.
It's all over there. Got him! Yo, look at this nub.
Oh, there's no way he survived.
Yo, he actually fell for that.
Wait, what? Jeff?
Yo, look over there. Go over there. Look, check it out. Check it out, buddy.
What? Oh,
got him. 2 for 1, baby. That's how we do it. All right, Jeff. Yo, Jeff the Moose, what are you doing, man? Why are you slacking, bro? Jeff, where's the fire? Oh, the fire. Oh, I think you're talking about something else. Come here, buddy. It's over here, Jeff. It's over here. All right. I think it's all the way down that hallway. Just break those blocks, and you should be.
Run.
We gotta go.
Bye.
Oh my God. He's alive. Oh.
How did you survive? Jeff!
Jeff, what'd you do, buddy?
I'll finish
Oh,
him. We good.
I'm sorry about the explosion here. I didn't really mean it.
Right, Jeff?
I feel like yo, we gotta go. Let's run. He's gonna kill us, bro. He's gonna be super mad. He's trying to hunt us down. Okay.
Hide from him again, dude. I think we have to hide again.
Yo, let's become one with the bookshelf.
No, you just said bookshelves. He's gonna know where we are.
Are you joking or not? I think it's the ladder. This guy. Is there a fire? Jeff, there's a fire. It's on the second floor. Yo, just stand still.
No, Moose, don't hit him.
Camouflage as bookshelves.
Camouflage. We won't be able to find this.
It's working. Look. We are running with the bookshelves. Hashtag bookshelf camouflage.
Oh, Moose.
Knowledge. Lamborghini.
Death,
Feet
I'm a
12.
You don't see me. Why are you shooting books? No.
You must be a bookshelf. Oh, no. Oh, bad, no. Oh. Dang it. All right, so. Wait, does he still see you? You good, man? Did he get you?
Wait.
Where'd he go? Oh. Yo, I'm going to the third floor, bro. I gotta go, man. I'm going to the third floor, bro. I gotta go. Oh.
I'm gonna burn everything, dude.
You're gonna burn the place down? Oh, Jeff! I'm sorry, Jeff. Sorry. Not sorry. No. Oh, Jeff! I am so sorry.
I set it all on fire, dude. It's all on fire.
Help! Jeff, there's a fire! Jeff, come here!
Yes, there's a
Jeff,
fire.
there's fire right here, buddy! Oh my God, everything's on fire, Jeff! It's all on fire!
So fast! There really is a fire this time, dude. Go!
See,
We're gonna go,
we
dude.
told him there was
He's
a
gonna be
fire.
occupied with that for
Listen,
a while.
mate, wait a second. If anything ever goes wrong, do you have any other traps that you set up? Is that the only one you got?
That was it. I didn't have enough time, dude. I'm sorry.
Oh, dang it, man. Okay, yo, hey, Jeff, buddy, wait, no, come over here.
This is actually
Help!
really.
Jeff, you okay, buddy?
Really
Oh, we gotta help him out. Jeff, you okay, buddy? Oh my God, this is Jeff, come here, buddy.
How
okay?
much fire
You okay,
is
bro?
that?
I'm sorry. The chicken was definitely lit. I'll tell you that. There's
Jeff?
so much fire that I'm lagging somehow. Oh,
Dude, I didn't even know
it must
there
be
was
the ladder.
It's so spread. No. Moose is gonna go. Oh no! Don't do it! Don't do it, Moose.
Got him! Bye, Jeff! Oh no! Jeff, stop it! Jeff, put out the fire! Don't put me out, bro! I'm
Jeff,
Gucci,
put the
man.
Fire out, dude. We need you to put out the fire. Wait, Moose, what does this do?
What?
Emergency Jeff room.
Oh, just in case if we ever have a problem, we just put Jeff inside like the prison over there.
Oh!
Yeah. If you flick that, it'll fix everything. Trust me.
Don't press it, Jeff. Don't press that. Jeff, don't. You'll regret it.
Jeff, it's a bad idea. Jeff, I'm telling you,
Don't do it.
I'm your
Dude,
friend,
you're blowing,
and I'm telling you
blowing me and Moose
that
up. It won't hurt you,
Jeff,
but it'll hurt
it's
me.
gonna,
Moose. Don't do this, dude.
Oh.
He fell for it. Wait.
It actually worked.
Wait.
Got it, baby.
Jeff, you're
What?
such a noob, dude.
Jeff, how do you
can't
fall
break
for this
that.
show, man? It legit said.
Don't break that,
Wait,
dude.
Is he
Is he gonna try and eat the door? Bro.
Yo, come here. Yo.
Wait. I have an idea. Wait, no, better idea. The moment he breaks the door.
Jeff, I don't think that door is breaking anytime soon, buddy. You seem to be having a little bit of a problem there, man. I don't know what it is, Jeff. You kind of...
Moose, run.
Ah! Yay!
We can now see Jeff. Hey, Jeff.
Hi, buddy, old pal. Yo,
Jeff!
come here.
I'm trying to set him on fire, but I can't get to him.
Yes. Come here. Look.
Yeah, wait. Oh, no. That's too mean, dude. That's too mean.
Yo, you'll never know.
Bro.
He will never,
I'll just sit here and wait.
ever know.
No, that's too savage, dude.
I know.
Why?
It's pretty savage, dog.
Why? Look, we can see it from this angle here.
As soon as he breaks it,
Jeff!
everything is going to go wrong.
Oh, I don't think he's falling for it.
Hi-ya! Jeff,
Bye.
run! Oh my God! That was definitely a bigger radius than I thought, broski. Yo, that was so savage, bro.
Look,
Yes!
Look, dude. I'm sorry what happened.
You got him
he's
again,
done that
bro.
now, dude.
Jeff, I'm really sorry
I'm
about
so sorry for Jeff
Jeff,
now.
are
You
you
can
getting
meet
mad
him
again?
now.
Are you going cowcraft on us? I'm done. What do you mean you're done, Jeff?
You can't just be done, dude.
Yeah, you can't just be done, bro. You can't quit. Come on, man. This is daycare, dude. You gotta... I quit. Jeff, you can't quit, man. Moose Mods is still kind of all over the place. You know what I'm saying? It's over. Does that mean we're...
Dude, what do you mean? It's
Does that mean that
over,
you're
dude?
breaking
You
up with
can't
us?
just quit.
You can't break up with us. MooseRoleplays is back! What? I mean, it's like low-key not back, but still. January is here, so... Hey! Jeff, come on, man. You can't quit on us like that, broski. The whole thing's on fire. You gotta fix it. I'll manage.
How will I go on without your tiny arms and tiny bow?
Come on, Jeff. Your tiny little body and then your
long
really
boy body.
thick... your thick ears and your stomach and stuff. Goodbye! Jeff, come back!
Jeff, don't leave us, dude. Jeff, don't leave us! No!
Jeff, come back now! Jeff!
I won't let you leave. I won't let you... Oh.
Wait, Jeff, hold on, Jeff. Jeff, before you leave, let me come back. You can blame it all on Cyclone. I was wrong.
You can't blame it on me. I didn't sign up for this.
He was right. I will never return. Okay. What is it gonna actually take to get you to return, Jeff? Come on, we need you, buddy. Come on. This ain't. Look the other way, Jeff.
Moose. Moose. Get away from me.
Only if you fix my daycare and upgrade my lab. Yeah, that whole fixing the daycare part.
There is no fixing it anymore.
There ain't no. Replay that. Yeah, that whole fixing the daycare part.
There is no fixing it anymore.
There ain't no.
Swansea dies. No.
Oh, Jeff, we got you.
Okay,
Yo.
I feel sorry for him now.
I gotta feel bad
wow.
for Loki. I got you. I'll help him with some more TNT. There you go. Maybe you can land on this sometime, you know?
Dude,
there you go.
I feel really sorry for him, you know? But not
Oh,
sorry
no. You know what, Jeff? This went 0 to 100 real quick. I'm done. No, Jeff, come back. Oh, no returning. Oh, Jeff. What is it going to take? Oh,
Jeff,
he's definitely...
leave us.
He's definitely... You were a savage. You were a savage, bro.
Oh, no.
I feel bad for Jeff the Moose. Well, anyways, guys, I'm going to call it here, man. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you all did enjoy. Yo, Cycle, let's go back home, man. I'm tired of this broski, yo. This is another crazy YouTube video. I'm out of here, man. I'm going back to the avatar. All right, Jeff the Moose. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and sound the bell for another daycare video. And let's get 10,000 likes for episode, I think we're on 14. I don't even know.
I don't even know.
I don't even know anymore. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.